Hi everyone, in this short video, we are going to look at MariaDB Vaulted Account Privilege Access demonstration. So let's get started. As a first step, so I went to the AWS RDS service. I spin off a MariaDB as my database. So if you look at my endpoint, so endpoint is database for some random number and then .us2 rds.amazon aws.com. So this is what my FKDN is. If I go to the CyberArk's dynamic privilege access for the vaulted credential approach, so we have to perform two steps only. The first step is the account management. The second step is the DPA connector installation. For the DPA connector installation, I'm leveraging upon AWS EC2 service. So DPA database connector has already been set up. So for the first step, so what we can do, we went to the Privilege Cloud service, and in the Privilege Cloud, I onboarded MariaDB database credential. If I go to the details, so you can see my safe name, platform, username is admin, and my address is, this is the same endpoint as your MariaDB database. So this is pretty much what you have to do. So this is all the things what we have to do from an administrator standpoint. So now look at it from a user standpoint. From a user standpoint, what we have to leverage upon, we have to go to the connection guidance page. On the connection guidance page, we have to go to the database, and then let's select MariaDB as our database. So we are going to click on the vaulted credential. My target user is admin. My FKDN is, this is what AWS refer as endpoint. We are going to copy and paste here. And so now, so these are the two different parameters we have to copy, host name and my username. So for the demonstration, we are going to use a DB Weaver as a utility. Let's go click on a connection. So we are going to create a new connection. I'm going to select MariaDB, click on next button. So let's copy some of these details from the connection guidance page. For the host name, I'm going to copy the host name from here. I'm going to paste it here. So this is what my host name is. For my username, this is what my username is. So we are going to copy the username here. And for password, I'm going to leverage upon MFA caching option. We are going to click on generate password. It takes 4 to 5 seconds to generate a short-lived token. So we are going to copy it here. And so that's pretty much what we have to do. And there is one additional thing we have to do. We have to leverage upon the SSL. And I'm going to select require SSL for service certificate. I'm simply going to ignore it for the moment. So let's click on finish. And then let's click on connect. It takes around 15 to 20 seconds to get connected to the target database. So I'm going to pause this video. So it took around 15 to 20 seconds. So now we can see we got connected. So you can see the database, you can see all the different things in terms of the user. You can see these are the 3 different users exist in the MariaDB database as default. So what we are going to do, we are going to run a sample query. So I'm going to run as a current. So let's run this query. You can see we got connected as a admin user. So this is how the end user experience is going to look like. So let's see from an auditor standpoint, what all different attributes get captured. So I'm going to click on disconnect. And then we are going to go to the CyberArk audit service. In the CyberArk audit service, we can go to the session monitoring tab. So here you will be able to see. So this is the recent ones. So here, this is one my session ID, database type is MySQL MariaDB, user on target was admin. If I click on the commands, so you can see some of these commands. So some of these commands, whenever you're clicking on any of the option, it get executed behind the scenes. So one of the command specifically is of interest to us is when we ran a command called select current underscore user. So I'm going to click on commands. Here you see, so this is the command got executed and everything got captured within the CyberArk audit survey. So thanks a lot everyone for watching this short video.